Let it bang.
What's up, y'all? So I don't have my cameras today, and I don't know if I'm actually going to be vlogging, but I'm going to record this just in case. So look at my nail. I'm finna go to Dollar General first, CVS, and Family Dollar. I just want to get like a little bit of stuff. It's not that we really need anything. I'm just really just stocking up my mom and my dad's houses. But I don't want to miss these good deals, so for the most part I'm going to be doing digitals. Not really a lot of paper coupons. I don't know what Dollar General's limit is for paper coupons, so I'm going to find that out. If it works out, I'll just show you guys everything that's in my cart. Then when I get in the car, I'll kind of explain what I did and so on, because in the last one that I uploaded, you guys were asking exactly what did I do. I'm not no pro couponer or nothing like that, but I'm just showing my learning experience, really, because yeah, this is like my new hobby. It's a fun thing for me to do. It's fun for me, so just sharing it with y'all, especially because y'all my friends, okay? And it's just kind of giving you guys, for the people who actually care, an idea of what you can get, and that it's easy to basically save money even if you don't have paper coupons. So yeah. So my deal that was supposed to be for the toothbrushes didn't work out. For some reason they weren't attaching to the toothbrushes. Had they had worked, the toothbrushes were only $2, which means that I would have got 4 packs of double toothbrushes for free, and then the Colgate for free as well. But they didn't work and they expired today, so that's over. Then I did 2 Tides. The other coupon did not attach as well. It's fine though. But I ended up paying $4.90 for 2 Tides, the pods, and then a liquid. And I think it was 2 liquids, and I ended up paying $4.90, and I saved $1. And then for this transaction, I got the 51 count Gain Flings. I got 4 Gain dishwashing liquids. I got 2 Febrezes in the Gain scent, and then I believe I got another Gain Flings and a Gain liquid. And the total came out to $18.35, and I saved $17.50, which isn't bad. But I always have problems with Dollar General. For some reason my coupons never attach correctly, so yeah. And I just wanted to show you guys what I usually have written down on my paper. I kind of just write down all the deals that I'm interested in, and then I figure it out as I go in the store, if I haven't already done it on the paper. So I got a lot of the stuff on here for Dollar General, minus the Fabuloso and stuff like that. But now we have Family Dollar and CVS next. We have Family Dollar. All right, y'all. So I promised myself from now on, when I go couponing, it has to be something that we'll actually use or need, because I've been getting a little carried away and just getting stuff that we don't even need and stuff like that. Sorry for the camera angle, but so I just went in Family Dollar. I paid $10.12. I got Tide Pods, OxyClean Pods, Gain Flings, a Downy, and a Tide liquid. So I got all of those for $10, and I saved $10. Because they get you with trying to get you to make those deals. So if you spend $25, you save $5, like stuff like that. And with CVS and Walgreens, you get 30% off, $30, stuff like that. I'm just gonna try to keep from doing those deals, because those are the deals that make you spend more money. And really, this is all about just savings. And I feel like those deals are for people who are doing a lot of paper coupons, and I don't have my good paper coupons yet. I ordered some online from somebody, so when they get here, maybe I'll try to do more stuff like that. But for right now, we're just getting stuff that we need. So I kind of stocked up my dad's house. So like I said, this is just really about trying to stock up my mom's house a little bit. So, but I'll show y'all everything that I got once I finish. But the last place I'm going is CVS. At CVS, finna go inside. I just have these 2. We're gonna see if these work. Oh, I got me some Tides. If you have kids, one thing I will say is that come to CVS and Walgreens like on Fridays or Saturdays because they have a lot of clearance stuff for like the kids stuff, and it'll be like on sale for cheap. I'm back in the car, so let me get my receipts together, y'all. Excuse my nails, I'm looking busted. Okay, so I got 4 Tides. One of them was pods, and then I got the Gain Flings. And my coupons came off. My digital coupons came off. You see the $3, $3, $2. And then I had a $5 extra buck, so that came off. And it brought me down to $8.70 plus tax, $9.42 for all of those. And then I got another extra buck, which is $2 extra bucks. Now, for the people who don't really know what extra bucks is basically like, say, like it's basically points, but the points turn into dollars. So my total would have been what, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 $13, and I had the $5 extra buck, so that takes $5 off my total. So it's literally like money, but it's only money for CVS purchases basically. So that's always cool. If you ever see those yellow tags at the CVS store and it says buy this much and get this much in points or extra bucks, you're basically getting money back. So you could subtract that money from your purchase because you're getting it back, and then you'll end up paying less, if that makes sense. So I don't know what I have all together, but pretty much I think I spent like $30 to $40, which isn't bad. Today at CVS I saved $28.15. So like I said, when I get to the house, I'll probably show you guys all that I got. And I bought all this stuff from my mom's house, because like I said, I had already stocked up my dad's house from the last trip. It wasn't really any good, like a lot of good deals as it was when I went out for my dad's house. But I still keep going out and getting stuff from my mom, but this is just to get her little stash started. So I know I kind of sucked at vlogging today, so this is going to be really short and really dry kind of. I didn't even really talk like that because I was trying to get in and out, and I didn't have a camera person today, so it was kind of hard to grab stuff, figure out stuff on my phone while I'm recording on my phone, and it would have been too much to bring the camera, hold the camera while I'm trying to. It was just a lot. It would have been a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog out by showing you guys everything I got and maybe re-explaining everything. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like these couponing videos, if you guys want me to talk about it more and go through my how I figure out my deals and stuff like that whole process, let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely vlog that for you guys, because I'm trying to keep my vlog channel lit, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Love y'all, and bye. All right guys, I'm back home and I'm finna show y'all everything in total. Dirty trunk already, I'm gonna say that, but I got 2 Febreze, the Gain scent. I got 4 Gain dish detergents, the Gain Flings, and this is the 51 count, and then I got the Gain detergent. I got OxyClean detergent pods, and I got 3 bags of the Gain detergent pods. I got 5 Tides. This one's the Tide Simply, and these other 2 are Tide Simply, just different scents, and then these are the original Tides. And then we got 3 Tide pods, and then lastly I got this Downy fabric softener, but this one's for me. Side note, if you have a wig or hair weave, anything that comes and it's a little funky, you use this, wash it in this, and it'll smell brand new and get rid of the smell. But so this is everything. Like I said, excuse my dirty trunk, but I got it all for $37.